Edmonton and Canada Tax Accountant Profession. An introduction to the profession of a tax accountant in Edmonton and Canada. Tax accountants in Edmonton and other parts of Canada assist individuals and businesses in preparing and filing accurate tax returns that comply with all legal requirements in Canada. Tax accountants can be found in Edmonton and other parts of Canada. It is possible to locate tax accountants in cities close to where you live, as well as in other parts of Canada. By utilizing their extensive knowledge of the tax law in Canada, they are also able to assist customers in reducing their overall tax liability and increasing the amount of money they save. Small business tax accountants in Canada. There are also tax accountants who work for companies on a permanent, full-time basis in a capacity within the company. These tax accountants report directly to the company's management. These tax accountants are responsible for providing direct feedback to the management of the company. Others are able to find work as employees of companies that offer services to their customers, such as bookkeeping, auditing, tax preparation, payroll, or accounting. These companies then provide these services to their customers as part of their business model. Tax accountants are also required by organizations that provide financial services. These organizations include government agencies, insurance companies, and businesses and industries that are related to the provision of a variety of services. A significant portion of today's accountants hold additional jobs or work from home, providing services such as bookkeeping, tax preparation, and others. Most types of tax professionals, including tax accountants, are typically very busy with client work during the month of February, which marks the beginning of the tax season and continues through the month of June. It is possible that during the times of the year when business is slower, they provide customers with services that are associated with the management of taxes. These services include not only the conduct of audits but also the provision of advice on investment and asset management, the development of financial plans, and the planning of tax strategy. Other services include the preparation of financial plans and the preparation of tax returns. Among the other services offered are the preparation of financial plans and the formulation of tax strategies. Accountants who specialize in taxes work closely with their clients to produce documents for filing tax returns that are in accordance with the Canadian tax laws and regulations that are pertinent to the situation. In the weeks leading up to the beginning of the Canadian tax preparation and filing season, these professionals work closely with their customers to formulate a plan that will put them in a stronger position to accomplish the monetary objectives that are important to them. During tax season, accountants typically put in more hours of work than they do during the rest of the year due to the increased volume of work that needs to be done. Clients who hire tax accountants receive assistance in acquiring a holistic understanding of their current financial situation. They are responsible for ensuring that all products adhere to the applicable tax regulations and laws. Helping their clients save money and stay within their financial constraints is one of the most significant responsibilities that tax accountants have. In addition to this, accountants offer their clients assistance in expanding their income and maximizing their profits. This includes explaining how clients' tax returns may be affected by income that varies throughout the year. Tax accountants provide clients with assistance in organizing their personal financial records, in addition to preparing documents for filing tax returns. Accountants make it a practice to maintain client information in files, from which they can retrieve it as needed. Tax accountants are responsible for computing and preparing their clients' tax returns to be submitted to the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. Tax accountants who want to be successful need to regularly review accounting systems to ensure that they are operating as effectively and efficiently as they possibly can. Participation in the tax return process is highly valued by individuals as well as business owners. The customer is responsible for having an understanding of both the filing process and what to anticipate from their own tax return. Accountants are obligated to maintain open lines of communication with their clients and promptly supply them with information that is pertinent to their needs. Professional tax accountants need to have these qualities. The in-depth familiarity with all applicable Canadian tax laws and regulations that is required of tax accounting specialists is essential. Tax professionals are required to map out potential future courses of action using raw data. Skills such as account analysis, financial reporting, auditing, and the taxation of income and payroll are absolutely necessary. Tax professionals are the go-to resource for both individuals and businesses looking for guidance on how to reduce their tax burdens. For For this reason, strategic asset management is an essential skill for people who work in the tax industry. Tax professionals ought to have a strong grasp of numerical concepts and the applications of those concepts. During tax season, the vast majority of accountants who specialize in taxes are swamped with work. Tax accountants maintain consistent communication with their clients in order to shed light on pertinent financial details and provide direction. A mindset that encourages collaboration is beneficial to professionals in managing the interpersonal aspects of their jobs. The following is a list of some examples of specialized areas of expertise within the field of accounting for taxes. These examples are provided as examples only. There are some companies that will not hire tax accountants unless they hold the appropriate certifications in the field of accounting. The titles Certified Public Accountant, Certified Management Accountant, and Certified in Financial Forensics are a few examples of the various accounting certifications that are currently available. Certified Internal Auditor and Certified Fraud Examiner are two additional examples of certifications that are available in the field of accounting. Continue to be in high demand among a wide variety of employers, including those with less stringent hiring requirements. Certified public accountants continue to be in high demand.